Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fi join.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. What are they doing? Why are they always doing some nonsense?
And then just start molding it. You can really use your hands like the ground beef is Play-Doh.
Why can't they just eat stuff like normal people? You cook the ground beef in your skillet or whatever, or you make your ramen noodles like normally. Like, what is
peanut butter. Yep, your hands are already messy, and we're going to use this whole jar. So just go on in.
Peanut butter, really?
With your hands?
Yeah, with your hands.
Why would you even put...
Right on top.
That's
Have you ever had any sort of
disgusting.
meat and peanut butter before?
No, meat. I mean, I like both of them, so I guess in theory.
Goes good with
Why
ground
would
beef.
you
It's
put
really
peanut
good
butter
with pork.
on ground
Pork
beef?
chops. See, we're only going to do it on the top. We're going to leave the bottom with no peanut butter, and the top is going to have peanut butter. Skittles.
At least they didn't
I
put
know,
their hand back in
this
the
probably
peanut
seems
butter
really
jar
weird,
and
but just
contaminated
trust me.
it. Skittles, really? Like, these TikTokers are getting out of hand.
And then,
They are getting out of hand
your ball,
with this nonsense.
just like this.
Like, y'all really, like, y'all make me upset sometimes, because you know how many people out there would love to have this food, and here y'all are doing all this dumb stuff with it. And you're probably just going to waste it, because now
This
you're
is
going to
the
put the
ultimate
ramen noodle seasoning on Skittles.
It's,
Oh my
listen, I
God.
promise you it's good. You know sweet and savory, right? This is exactly what that is. Sweet,
No.
savory,
No, it's not.
delicious. Alright, and once
It's
all that's
not.
on there,
I trust you.
take your ball.
That
we're
looks
gonna head over here
disgusting.
to our stove. Alright, now we've got our hot oil right on the stove.
Oh
And we're just
my
gonna
God.
gently-
Oh my God. No, they're not. Y'all are as dumb as you get. I swear.
Look at it go.
I swear. You want to come see?
One at a time.
Y'all are as dumb as you get.
Real first. Sugar burns straight to the sugar. Let it know. Not the onion and then the chicken.
Man, look how disgusting that looks.
It's done.
Oh, it did,
Oh,
yeah.
Look at how
yeah.
brown and fried and delicious that is.
You know that peanut butter attack?
Yep. It's still a long way, so it's just fried. It's like Skittles. with
Very
perfect
disgusting.
Look at that.
Very disgusting. Like, y'all dumb. I swear, y'all are dumb.
Big reveal. Oh, a little pink inside. Good pink or bad pink? Let's
That's
see.
a lot of pink
Good
inside.
pink.
That's not a
Oh, yeah.
little
It's
pink.
perfect.
That's a lot of
No,
pink.
it's perfect. Yeah, look at the ramen in there. It's perfectly
What do you
cooked.
mean? That's not cooked.
All right.
What do you mean that's perfect? It's not cooked at all.
Ready? Hold on, let me get a little Skittle.
Yeah, get a
little peanut butter. Get it all on there.
Y'all disgust me.
It's hot.
I hope you do it for eternity after this. Lies.
That's so good.
Lies. Lies. That is disgusting and you know it. Boy, TJ, you're a little heavy. That is disgusting and they know it. Bruh. Y'all make me so sick. Come on. Sit on your chair. I got you. I ain't gonna let you fall. I got you. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And listen, y'all cook your own food. Don't eat from these nasty people. They disgust me. My goodness.
Alright, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread